This is a Plaice on a slimy fish. God, I'm not doing well at this at all. Taking a fillet off. As easy as that. Okay, Dove, one more chicken.
Lovely.
Someone's been getting their supper from the miller's wife. Why couldn't she cook? Lemon jouse. That flour creating a lovely little crust on top. You can remove the rosemary now. Get a bit of crispiness to the capers. And then and this finishes beautiful Plaice Meunière. Oosh. We are back in the boat kitchen and I am not in Chef White's. Sunday, no one's here. I'm gonna go through some recipes of things you can cook at home really easily or just different techniques. Today, I'm gonna show you how to break down a whole Plaice and we're gonna cook the Fillet Meunière. It's a classic for me. It's one of the first things I was taught to cook in a professional kitchen. Cool, right. This is a Plaice. This was caught 2 days ago. We need to remove the dark skin because the dark skin's not very nice to eat. So I'm just gonna score just this down the bottom where we're not really gonna be damaging any portions. An old school method, if you're doing a lot of these, trying to skin them, is dipping your fingers in salt so you got grip on a slimy fish. God, I'm not doing well at this at all. Take a cloth so you've got the grip and you're gonna take a fillet off. Might be too fresh. As easy as that. My only excuse is that it's a very fresh fish. Right. Now, how you tear off the skin. Right, we're gonna fillet it now. So you've got a line down the middle. You can see that line down the middle. Same on this side, you follow the head. I'm gonna follow the head round to the middle and then come all the way down. Like this. Nice little flexible knife. All the way down. And then flip her over and you can see that line that runs all the way down. Just gonna follow that line. Join that up there. Okay, Dove, one more chicken. Look, out. Good lad. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Fillets off, and then if you want to use this for stock, there's a little bloodline in there. You just cut that, score that, wash all that out, take the dark fins off, and you've got a lovely skeleton for stock. So we're gonna skin this one. First of all, take the last bit out of there. So you've got the white skin on this side. So yes, we could keep that on and grill it, but for the purpose of this dish, we're gonna take it off. So you run your finger down the side where the skirt is, just to kind of get that away from the fillet and off the skin, and then just start pulling the skin towards you as you cut. Cut the top off there. Again, just can use the sauce. Just take that skirt off the side, because it will just hinder the knife if you try and mess about there. Because the size of the pan, we're going to chop these down a little bit. As a portion, you'd probably do 3. We're going to cook these.
Lovely.
You okay, Doug? I've forgotten what Meunière stands for. Is it like nut brown butter, I think? Nut brown.
A classic French cooking style where fish is lightly dusted in flour, pan-fried in butter, served with simple brown butter, lemon and parsley sauce.
That's exactly what we're going to do.
Literal translation in the style of the miller's wife.
In the style of the miller's wife, why couldn't she cook?
It links to a miller or his wife because the fish is coated in flour before cooking, so like a flour miller.
The miller's wife. Someone's been getting their supper from the miller's wife. Right, let's get some capers, bit of flour, and we're off to the races. Capers, parsley, lemon jouse, classically done with Dover sole, and that's how I was taught to do this dish, but we're using Plaice because it's a lovely alternative and it's not as expensive because Dover soles are very, very pricey. So, light dusting of flour, which creates a kind of crust on the presentation side of the fillet. So the presentation side is the side you've cut away from the center of the fish, essentially. You don't want a skin side, which is the external part. So light dusting in flour. It's such a versatile fish. It's quite delicate. It will hold up to a lot of things you can put with it. Again, a little bit of oil, vegetable oil in the pan. And because these fillets are very thin, we want to meunière, or to kind of roast the butter to a nut brown noisette quite quickly, otherwise by the time the fish is coloured, it's going to be overcooked. Because you talking about this is not going to take very long to cook at all. Oil's hot, you can see it's hot by it starting to shimmer on the surface. So we're going to do 2 knobs or 2 little bits of butter. And we're going to get them melted and start to pick up that colour, that noisette colour. Fillets in. I'm just going to do 2 at a time. And we're going to get the colour on the fish. And then we're going to take them out and let it rest. A little bit more butter, just to kind of stop the butter sitting there burning. You're going to cook the fish to halfway, so you can see it coming through. The colour change on the fillet. It's got a lovely golden colour. I'm going to take it out. That kind of stops that cooking by taking it out of the pan. Don't be scared to move things around. Get this one up to the same stage. So again, into the butter that started to brown. That flour creating a lovely little crust on top. You can remove the rosemary now. See how thin that fillet is. Doesn't take long to cook. And as they're resting as well, they're going to carry on cooking through. Nice colour. Right, we're going to add a little more butter to the pan, just to cool the pan down. So we're going to make the sauce now. So we're going to cool it down as well with a nice spoon of caper and some lemon juice. Touch of butter, a little salt. And then we're going to chop some parsley to finish it. Again, in other recipes, I like to use the stems. I think it's got a lovely texture to them. Nice crunch, nice freshness. And then some of the leaf as well. Slowly cooking down. Salt, capers and brine. Parsley. Joe Wicks. Get a bit of crispiness to the capers. And then we're going to get a second shot on that. There you go. And then we're going to go for it. And this finishes beautiful Plaice Meunière. Good tip, great with mash. Butter and mash works well. Just something very simple, very easy, very classical. Plaice Meunière. Oosh.